Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do faux bangs, fake bangs. If you ain't got no bangs, if you don't want to go all the way and do the cut like me, kind of scary, kind of a big commitment for me. So I'm going to show you how you can get the look of bangs, pretend you got bangs for a day, but you ain't. So if you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching, and don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. It will help me so much. Give it a like if you like it. Just hit the red button down below that says subscribe on it. Si te gusta mi canal de YouTube, por favor, escrito a mi canal de YouTube. Y vamos a ver el tutorial. First thing you're going to do is brush your hair completely smooth. Now gather it all up into a kind of mid to high ponytail. Brush up all the sides so they're smooth with no bumps. I'm going to be using this amazing product called a ponytail. This is a ponytail holder that does not pull or yank or hurt your head. If you have long hair, you know the struggle of trying to have get a ponytail that's like, you know, comfortable, especially if it's a high ponytail. So these are really, really amazing. They don't ever give me a headache with a ponytail. I can wear them all day. How they work is you put it in there into your hair, and then you squish it with the length of your hair all the way through the ponytail. Then fold one end under and then the other end under, kind of like back around itself, and that makes your ponytail. Then just begin twisting your hair into a bun shape. You want to twist around until you have like a little bit of hair left hanging down in the front. So I have a little bit extra, but we're going to fix that in just a minute. Depending on the length of your hair, depends on how big your bun will be in the back. So now my hair's still a little bit too long, so I'm going to twist it around two of my fingers and pin it like another little bun against the bun I already have. So just pin that bun as well, leaving a little bit of hair down the front. Just kind of make it down like to your nose. Now the rest of the hair, we want to protect it from the heat. So I'm going to take this really good spray from Avita. It's called Speed of Light, and it's really good to protect your hair from like curling iron or any kind of blow drying heat whatsoever. So I really like using this. Spread your hair with your fingers across the length of your head, and then add your headband. Then just kind of tug and pull until the bangs are a bit shorter, about the length of your nose to your mouth. I'm going to take this really nice curling iron and I'm going to begin to curl the bangs. I'm going to curl on one side, kind of diagonal shaped, toward my face. Hold it for like 10 to 15 seconds. Then I'm going to take the middle part, and the middle part needs to be a lot thicker than the ones on the side, or wider, and then just curl that one straight under. Next, you want to do the other side, curling again toward the face. Now we're going to tease it. You want to tease it underneath because sometimes your hair is thinner at the ends and you don't want your like forehead or hairline peeking through. So to make them look like really thick, like normal bangs, we want to just tease just a little bit underneath. Pull up more if you need to. Tease, and I'm just tweaking it and making it look the shape that I want it to look. I wasn't happy with the way these were curled, so I'm going to re-curl them and just hold it a good 15 to 20 seconds. Let it go, and now it's like the perfect length. This is what I was actually going for. So I'm going to go ahead and re-tease it and just kind of like lightly brush through them just a little bit, just to make them look a bit more natural. Teasing a little bit more. And now I'm going to pull up just a little bit more, or pull back to where it's like the level of my eyebrows. Now I'm just teasing them on the bottom and a little bit on the top there. Now I'm going to take this hairspray and just spray them really well, like right where the so-called root of the bangs would be. I'm going to re-tease them after spraying, just a little bit. I kind of just tease them and then just kind of brush it a little, like brush over the top of where I teased it to where it makes it look like smooth. Spray it again. And you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this faux bangs tutorial. I hope you try it out. If you do, please tag me on Instagram at the Elizabeth Paredes and let me know how it went for you and if you liked it. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. You have an amazing, amazing day. Bye.